Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself as an admin from a Facebook page. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook page. Make sure you've switched to the correct Facebook page. You should see the page's account icon in the top right corner. If you don't see it, click on See All Profiles. Then select the Facebook page account you want to remove yourself from. Once you've switched to the Facebook page, click on Professional Dashboard from the left-hand menu. Then, scroll down until you see Page Access and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who has access to the Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook Admin Access is now referred to as Facebook Access. Currently, I'm the only one with Facebook access to this page. In this case, I won't be able to remove myself because there are no other administrators for the page. If I remove myself, the page would be left without an owner. First, we need to add someone as a Facebook page admin. To do this, click on Add New in the People with Facebook Access row. Then, click Next and enter the name or email address of the person you want to add. Once you've selected the person, grant them full control. Then click on Give Access. After the person has been granted access and can manage the Facebook page as an admin, you can remove yourself as an admin. To do this, click on the three dots next to your name, select Remove Access, and confirm. Your admin access will then be removed, and you will no longer be able to manage the page as an admin. If you still want access to the Facebook page but don't need admin privileges, you can add yourself with Task Access. This allows you to manage the Facebook page without having full admin control, and that's how you can remove yourself as an admin from a Facebook page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.